I started my career with Nestle as a summer intern during college.
I joined Nestlé Internal Audit team around 3 years ago.
I joined Nestle in 1989. It's my first and only company. I'm very proud of that.
I started as a newcomer, then I grew to junior auditor, senior auditor, and before leaving Brazil, I was already leading some of the team assignments.
So the internal audit function at Nestle has a long tradition and a very prestigious standing.
Nestle Internal Audit is basically here to provide assurance to the business and mitigate its risks.
Internal audit is also a key to drive the change.
Nestlé Internal Audit is a globalized team with a lot of auditors located around the world.
There's people that have a law background, people that have an operational background. Personally, I studied marketing and supply chain management, so it's a really diverse group of people.
You practically live in the hotel, like me right now. I've been traveling for 1 month. I will be traveling for another month.
Very exciting experiences, but of course it requires a lot of hard work.
While you're doing this, you're speaking with very high-level people, so managers, senior managers, directors, sometimes even CEOs of these businesses, and most people probably won't have that opportunity in their whole career.
You get sent into headquarters, in distribution centers, in factories. You get a lot of information, a lot of data, and you analyze, and you get trained by the people that have more experience, by your team leader.
The internal audit function is also the talent pipeline. It's a proven talent pipeline for the group.
I think that's what's great about internal audit, because it gives you a bird's eye view of what the different opportunities are in the business, and if and when you're ready to move from audit, you get to know, okay, this is what finance is like, this is quality, this is production.
It helps to create a network of lasting, not only professional relationships, but also friendships. And it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of hard work, but it's also a lot of fun.